Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video we're going to be talking about the library icon slash page. Alright, so here we go. All you have to do is go up here. This first icon up here on the top left is the library icon, or for the library page. The shortcut for the library page or library icon is the letter Y. So when you click on this icon, you'll get this right here on the left hand side. See it? Okay. But if we click on this icon again, we can close it. If we hit the letter Y on the keyboard, that's going to also open it up so that you can access it. Okay. So this is the library page. Okay. What's on this page, or what's in this page, is all the software instruments. You're going to need to know that. Okay. This is where all of the instruments live. So whenever you're making a beat, if you're looking for a bass or a kick drum or anything like that, this is where you would find it. So for instance, if we were looking for, say, a piano, right? We'd go right here to piano, click on that. And then this is the list of pianos that you can use. See? So when you click on one of these, like if I did this one right here, piano and pad, and clicked on it, that would then open up a piano and pad track. Okay. And the way you get back, so when you're right here, let's say that I don't like any of these, the way that I get back to the library, the main page in the library page, is simply to scroll to the right, and that will bring me back. Or you can grab this little lever right here, this little slider. See, so say you're there and you don't like any of the instruments, you can go down here, grab this, and this will take you back to the main part where you can see the rest of the software instruments. So again, this is the library icon. The shortcut for the library icon is the letter Y, and the library contains all of your software instruments. Let's take a quick practice on this quick help button again. So see, if I click right here where there's nothing, if I click on that and I hold Command and backsplash, just like in the previous video, you see now this brings up all of the information on the library window. Okay, so some of you may want to see that. Anyway, guys, make sure that you burn this into your brains, put this into your notes, and yeah, mess around in there, go ahead and explore, do some exploring, and then come back for another video when you're ready. Thanks, guys.